In another important development coming in from the national capital, the government has decided to open out the bars from the 9th of September. Of course, only those who have the legitimate and valid excise license will be allowed to operate. Bars will open from the 9th of September on a trial basis. Delhi Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal has given his consent to Arvind Kejriwal's proposal to reopen bars. Under the latest directive, hotels, restaurants and clubs with excise licenses in Delhi will be permitted to serve liquor from next week. The permission has been given on a trial basis from the 9th to 30th of September. Our correspondent Alok Singh visited Karol Bagh's famous Boheme Cafe Bar, which is gearing up to reopen. Let's listen into his report.
5 months after continuous shut, now the Delhi bars are allowed to be opened. Delhi government and central government are now gave the permission to open, to resume the work at the bars. In fact, we are here at one of the bars in Karol Bagh, which is a hub destination of bars and restaurant, and we are showing it. The preparation has already been started. My video journalist Ajaz is showing you that the chairs are now being put up, and there are certain things are also being changed. There are the cover and linen cover, these are being changed. The seat covers are also being now new seat covers will be there in some of the restaurants and bars, because definitely the people will come during the time of corona pandemic, and certain measures that the owners have to take. And here you can see these are the seating arrangements which they have made. Remember, according to the government norms, only 50% of the people, the customers, are allowed to sit with their full capacity. And here this is the 50, around 50 persons are allowed to sit. This is the strength of 50% in this cafe bar. But here 25% will be allowed to sit. In fact, the owner is with us. Sir, thank you for talking to us. Just tell us, give us a brief about what the measures will you take when you will be opening your bar.
See, to start with, first we are going for very deep cleaning of the restaurants. We are changing the linen because the restaurant was closed for almost 6 months. There's a lot of dampness. We are changing the linen wherever necessary. And after that, the deep cleaning will take place. As far as sanitation is concerned, every utensil, every brick, every corner of the restaurant will be sanitized thoroughly. We have hired a professional agency for that. And after that, of course, the staff is getting trained every day for observing the social distancing, how to handle the clients. They have got the new uniforms, they've got gloves, masks, sanitizers to use every time, and they are trained, basically they are trained to wash their hands almost every 1 hour. And they are trained as and when the customer goes out, that seat has to be sanitized. We have purchased the bottles for sanitizing, it's lying here. And as and when the customer comes, to make him feel, he should feel, we'll put up a poster, this seat is sanitized for your use.
Sir, for the sitting arrangements, tell us specifically what kind of sitting arrangement will you provide so that the social distancing could be maintained?
See, this is one table, we have removed one table in between. So there is a distance of 1.5 meter between the two. That is what is the mandatory, that is the SOPs issues to us.
Okay.
We are maintaining that.
Okay. No standing also?
No standing will be there, no bar service. Alcohol will not be served, or the service will not be given to any customer who is moving around. They have to be seated. They have to maintain the social distancing. And we will check the temperature when they come. We'll note down the temperature.
Okay.
And if found that they are having some temperature, we'll request them to go away.
Okay.
And all the staff will be checked. Before opening the thing, we are getting all the staff checked by a medical practitioner.
Okay. One thing more, sir. Any time there is any changes in the timing, then till when you will be going to serve the liquor?
No, government has allowed us the normal working hours.
Okay.
But depending on the business, we'll see what time we close.
But definitely it's a big business. It's a huge loss in your business as well that we are seeing.
If we achieve 30% of our normal volume, we'll be happy.
Okay. So this is very important point that he has made. Definitely, there is another big question will arises. Will the people will come? Definitely, everybody is not coming out from their houses because of the corona pandemic. So whether they will gain in their business, that is also will be very important question here is. But as of now, all the restaurant and all the bars are ready to be starting from 9th of September, and definitely and as of now, because of the Delhi government has said it is a trial, so the government will look into it that social distancing will be mandated and all the measures which the government has prescribed will be maintained, will be followed. With video journalist Azaz Hussain, I am Alok for Mirror Now.